Today, I'm in the slightly eastern part of Montreal in Mercier East, checking out a new construction project called Les Cours Bellerive by the developer Prevel. It is a huge project with a total of 4 phases, and once complete, we'll have over 500 condos and 20 townhomes. Today, I'll be checking out phase 3, which has a total of 77 units, and I'll be showing you guys the 1 and 2 bedroom layout. There are only about 12 units left to sell. So if you like what you see, reach out to our team to schedule a visit. New construction is known to be notoriously expensive. And one of the things that I like about this project is its great price points. And it's not too far from the city center, about a 15-minute bus ride to the nearest metro. There's lots of nature and green spaces nearby, like the Promenade Bellerive, which is a 2-kilometer long park facing the water, and it's just across the project is also great for both former occupants and investors. The neighborhood of Mercier and in general the eastern part of Montreal is one of the few areas left with land to develop, and the Cours Bellerive is one of the first projects being planned. It's already having a huge impact on the neighborhood, and prices for new construction in the area will only go up moving forward. My name is Tandir Amin, and I'm a local real estate agent here in Montreal and the Greater Montreal Area. If this is your first time on the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on everything there is to know about new construction in Montreal. Now, let's go check out the 2 model units, starting with the 1 bedroom. All right, so the first unit that we're going to be checking out is a 1 bedroom. So this is the D1 layout. 1 bedroom, around 600 square feet, so very nice size for a 1 bedroom. Here's the view from the entrance. We see the kitchen and living room on the right. There's the kitchen area. So before we go into the unit, I'm just going to show you what's here on the left. This is the closet, just as you enter the unit. Nice big closet. And to the left here, you have the washroom. Okay, so that's some nice big tile. And here you see the bathtub and shower, some nice fixtures. I like the finishes. I love the shelving here, some extra storage, very nice design. Here you have the view of the sink with some extra storage at the bottom, and also to the left of the sink, you have some extra storage as well in terms of cabinet space. So here we're back in the living area. Let's take a closer look at the kitchen. Here we see the nice kitchen island, some beautiful cabinets, nice neutral colors. I love the wide fridge here. So the opening for the fridge is quite wide. So you can put a large fridge here. And you see the nice oven here. Nice deep sink. Lovely stainless steel plumbing fixtures here. And now we're heading into the dining area. So quite spacious. You can receive a lot of guests in this area. So the kitchen island, as you can see, seats 3. And here in the dining area, another, 6 people. So you can receive a lot of guests without it feeling cramped and overcrowded. Before we check out the living area, I'm going to show you guys the bedroom here. Very nice size. Double-sized bed, as I can see here, but there's space on the left and right, so it can easily accommodate a queen or a king-size bed. Nice high ceilings. And here's the view. So not directly connected to the outside. You have the balcony here, which is enclosed, which is nice to have when, you can go out in the balcony even when on rainy days. I think the fancy name for this is a loggia. I don't know if I pronounced it right. But the disadvantage is that,
the light travels a longer distance to get into the bedroom, so you might get a little bit less sunlight because of that. Some pros and cons. Here we have the closet. Again, nice and very high. So the ceiling height, I would say, is about 9 feet. The vent that you saw on the wall there, that was for the air exchanger. So central air exchanger. Here we have a beautiful living room. Nice long couch, just to give you an idea of the size. Lots of sunlight coming in, lots of windows. Okay, here's a view of the outside. So this is the interior of the project where you see all that lovely dirt piling up. There's going to be some additional phases being built there. Phase 4 and 5, which I believe will be a big tower that's going to be going up. But it's quite spacious in between phases, so I don't expect the view to change much. Lots of space. Here we have the balcony, which is enclosed. Concrete. You can put a barbecue here if you like. Nice open view. Beautiful day. Again, that's the interior of the project. Okay, so this is phase 2. I'm in phase 2 right now, but this layout will be available in phase 3, which is already built and ready for occupancy. I was like showing a unit that's staged, just to give the audience a better idea of what you can put in there, instead of showing an empty unit. So here we're back in the living room. And the view from the other side. Some lovely light fixtures. So these don't come with the unit, obviously, but just giving you an idea of what is possible. So this was the 1 bedroom. Okay, I'll show you the view again. The dining area, living room, and kitchen. So this was the 1 bedroom. Okay, so now let's go check out the 2 bedroom. And just before we check out the second 2 bedroom unit, I want to talk a little bit about the common areas and what you'll find. So you have a nice interior courtyard that will be ready once all the phases are complete, with lots of green spaces. You have a beautiful rooftop terrace with a fireplace. You have a gym as well, a co-working space, and area just for kids. The developer puts together events from time to time, and I had the pleasure of attending one of them in the summer. And I really got a great community vibe. So it's a nice mix of residents that seem to get along, and they get together from time to time as well. So if that's what you're looking for, this might be a great project for you. Now let's go ahead and check out the 2 bedroom unit. So this is the 2 bedroom, what's called the G1 layout, and it's 935 square feet and $451,000 plus tax. So it is a lot more expensive for sure, but it's also significantly bigger than the first unit that we saw. All right, so this is the view from the entrance. And just in front of the entrance, you have a big closet. It's quite deep and also very high. I have a feeling this is where the washer and dryer would go. It does go very deep. On the right here, you have the first bedroom. And this looks like a queen size bed. Okay, so it's a nice size bedroom. Again, beautifully furnished, nicely staged. You get an idea how big it is. There's lots of space to the left and the right. No, I think it's a double bed. Okay, let's take a look at the closet space. Here we are. Lots of sunlight coming in. Here's the view. So I think this is where phase 4 would go, facing Notre Dame Street. That's where it would go. So phase 4, for those of you who are investors, it's a slightly different kind of project, and they have smaller units, mostly 1 bedroom from what I recall from my conversation with the sales rep, and really great prices. So for all you investors out there looking to invest in new construction with rental potential at a great price, phase 4 might be a better fit for you. This is the view from the other side. Okay, a lot of space just by the entrance. Here we have a view of the kitchen and living room. Very big layout, I would say. Nice and open. Very nice. And this one here is a corner unit, so you can see all the sunlight kind of pouring in from all the windows. Here we have the kitchen. Again, you have the nice quartz counters. I love the color scheme in this unit. Nice gray tones. Very neutral colors. There's the stainless steel appliances, the fridge, the dishwasher there on the right, the stove. And here's the view to the right. You kind of see the water there just behind the trees in the background. Here we have the dining area. Spacious as well. So this is like an 8-seater, I would say. I mean, you only see 4 chairs there, but if you're receiving a lot of friends, family, quite spacious dining area. And this leads into the living room, okay? And nicely staged. You see well-mounted AC there on the top left. Let's check out the view. Nice big balcony. I'll put a link to the plans if you're curious to see the dimensions of the different spaces, including the balcony. This one's quite spacious. And this is more to the side. You're not facing Notre Dame, which can be quite busy. Okay, and there's no construction here. Yeah, you have older homes there on the left-hand side, so there's no more development going on there. Traffic's not too bad, but it is a major street. Nice view. Let's go back inside. That was me struggling to close the door behind me. All right, so this is the 2nd bedroom. A little bit smaller, still spacious. And again, with the high ceilings, it definitely feels big for sure. Here's the closet. So this would probably be the guest bedroom because it's smaller, but then again, it's up to you because both bedrooms have good sized windows. This one's a little bit smaller, but I mean, you might actually like this one as to be the primary bedroom, as it's a little bit more inside the unit. So it's more private, away from the entrance. And this is the washroom. Nice big washroom, nice and long. See the glass shower on the tub there. Some shelving on the left. And you have a cabinet just to the left of the sink for extra storage. Nice touch. Okay, I like the long layout of the washroom. There's a view, again, of the living area. The kitchen. So that about does it for the visit of the 2-bedroom unit. I hope you liked it. Very different than the 1-bedroom unit, but gorgeous.
So that wraps it up for our video tour today of the Cours Bellerive project. Go ahead and comment below and let me know your thoughts, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions about this project or buying new construction in Montreal. We look forward to helping you make a smooth move to Montreal. See you next time.